My name is Hess. I'm gonna be singing to "Take Me to the King" by Tasha. Timbaland, man. I'm sorry, I'm too shy. And my friend just left, so I'm just singing to it. So hope you like it. I want a lot of dislike. I do not want a lot of dislike. It goes. Take, take me to the King. I don't have much to bring. My heart's torn in pieces. It's my heart for me. Take me to the King. This tired. Oceans are few. I'm trying to pray, but where are you? I thought your house hurt and abused. I can't say what's left to do. This and we, no strength to fight, no wish to cry, even if I try. My soul reaching to die. One touch will change my life. Take me to the King. I don't have much to bring. My heart is torn in pieces. It's my offering. Please take me at the door. Leave me there alone. To gaze upon your glory and sing to you this song. Please take me to the King. This is time in this place. We need no hurt in the people's pain. Lord, speak right now. Like rain. We just taste and answer you. No rules, no religion. I've made my decision to run to you, the healer that I need. Me to the King. I don't have much to bring. My heart torn to pieces. It's my offering. Take me at the dawn. Leave me there alone. To gaze upon your glory and to sing to you this song. Me to name. We keep it in the safe. For it's not for us, it's all for you. Take me, please, King. I don't have much to bring. My heart is torn to pieces. It's my offering. And that was my song. And I want to thank you for everybody. So have a great day. Okay, bye.